Hi guys, thank you all for joining me. If you are absolutely new here, my name is Vanita and I really appreciate you hanging out with me. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you for hanging out with me once again. So you guys, today we are going to be learning how to do the front post double crochet and the back post double crochet stitches. So now I have a row of double crochet stitches that I've already done, and I'm going to be showing you all how to do the front post and the back post. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to chain 2, and then I am going to turn this around like you would normally do. Now for the front post double crochet stitch, it is done the same way the double crochet stitch is done. It's just placed differently. So right here is where I am going to be inserting my hook, okay? So for the front post, I want you to yarn over. You're going to insert your hook right here. And you're going to go from this one right across. So basically you are pushing this stitch forward. And that's how you know you're doing a front post double crochet. Now you want to yarn over again. You're going to pull through, which is going to give you 3 loops on your hook. All right, you have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over again. You're going to pull through only 2 of those, just like a regular double crochet. And then you'll pull up those last 2. You'll yarn over again and then pull through. And that is your front post double crochet stitch because you push that post forward. So we're going to do that again. You'll yarn over, insert your hook down here, all right, because you're going to be pushing that post forward. All right, then now you're just going to be making a basic double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, all right, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. All right, now you have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over and pull through. All right, and that is your front post double crochet stitch once again. All right, so we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, go down behind the post, pushing that double crochet stitch, pushing that forward, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, pull up 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And that is your front post double crochet stitch. All right, for the back post double crochet stitches, now we're going to be pushing this post backwards. All right, so we're going to yarn over and we're going to go in behind the post. All right, go in behind it, lay our hook, bring our hook up across in front of it, push it backwards and go back, go down through the back side, and then yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull up 2, you have 2 loops remaining, yarn over, and pull through those last 2. All right, so that back post is a little finicky, but we're going to do it again. Yarn over, yarn over, put your hook, yarn over, insert your hook from behind, like that, go across in front of that post, insert it behind, yarn over, now pull through again. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, we're going to pull through 2 of those, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. All right, and that is your back post double crochet stitch. I'm going to do it one more time. So we're going to yarn over, and you're going to insert your hook behind that. You're going to come in from behind, put your hook across that post, across the front of it, go back behind, and then you're going to yarn over again. All right, now you're going to pull through in front of that post. Pull through, pull through. Now you're going to pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and just pull through 2 of those. Now you have 2 loops remaining, yarn over, and we're just going to pull through those remaining 2 loops. Just like that. And that is your back post double crochet stitches. All right, as you can see, your back post double crochet stitches pushes your stitches back, and your front post pulls them forward. All right, and this is what the back would look like. All right, so that is your back post stitches, and then this is your front post. So basically you're just pushing it forward with the front post, pushing it backwards with the back post. All right, so I hope that helped you all understand the front post and the back post double crochet stitches a little bit better. All right, and so you all, if you have found any value in this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And I will see you all next time. I really appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.